Hello everybody and welcome to this Flutter video tutorial. In this video we are gonna start is a chat app. We will start this chat app from scratch. So before I gonna jump to the code and start the chat app. So if you are new in this channel, please subscribe our channel to not lose other videos. So first of all, let's create. So I'm gonna create this chat app from scratch. This is my Android Studio open, and I'm gonna click next here, and we are gonna name it chat app, chat app, and the location, description, and we are coming to the organization. Organization is our domain reversed. There is the name of our company and the extension, which is com. So we are gonna give it HS Studio, and that is it. I click finish to create our project. Okay, invalid name because we cannot put space on our project name, and click finish. As you can see, the project has been created. So what we are gonna do in this video, so before doing anything else, let's connect our chat app to the Firebase database. So let's go to the website Firebase, and you can open the Firebase console. In the console, you can click add project on this plus icon to create a new project inside Firebase. So let's start with the name for the project. Enter your project name. Our project name is chat app. We can name it chat app, and let's click continue. In here is Google Analytics for the Firebase project. If you want it, you can enable. If you don't want, you can disable it from here. So for now, I'm gonna turn it off and click on create project. So it's creating project chat app. Let's wait, finishing setup, and now your project is ready. Let's click continue. In here, now our project is created. Here we can see our authentication, Firestore, real-time database, and others. So now get started by adding Firebase to your app. How we can add the Firebase to our app? You can see there is iOS, Android, and web, and also Unity. For now, I'm going to start with the Android one. Let's click on Android. In here, you have to put the package name. Let's go to our app and see our package name and bring it here. Go to inside the Android folder, inside app, source, inside the main folder. Here is something called manifest. You can copy it from the package. Let's copy our package, and don't worry about this error from here, and let's go to our browser and let's paste it here. Com HS Studio, as we created the name of our app, which is chat app. The nickname is optional. You can put anything. If you don't want, you can skip this as well. You can skip this SHA1, or it is also optional. And let's go to click register app. Next we have the download config file. There is a JSON file called Google services.json. We can download this file and go into our project, and we will paste it inside our app folder. So let's download this file and let's go and copy that. I copied the file. Let's close others and let's right click on our app folder inside our project and paste the file here. Here is the name Google services. Here is one because I downloaded another one also. Let's delete this one from here and click OK. Now you can see that the Google services.json is inside our app. So let's continue our registration on browser. So we did these steps, and let's click to the next. We have to go to project level build Gradle, and we have to paste this. You can click the copy here and copy this line, class path, and let's go to this project level build gradle, paste it inside our dependency. Let's go to Android Studio and let's go our build gradle. This is our build gradle and this is the dependency. Let's paste it here, and this class path is also done. Let's continue another one, and we can go to all project. Inside the repository we can paste this line of code from here, Google moving repository. So let's go again inside all projects. Inside the repository we have already the Google here. If you don't have, you can paste it here. So we don't need, because we already have that one. And let's go back to our browser. What else we should do? It says that we should go to the app level build gradle this time. We have to add this plugin, Google Services. Copy this one and let's go Android Studio, and this is our app level build gradle, and we are gonna paste it inside. We are gonna paste it here, and let's continue with our browser. So let's copy this line, or this line, implement platform Google Firebase, and go to back to the dependency here. We can paste it right there, and let's continue other with browser. We already have this plugin Android application. As you can see, it was inside this one, as you can see here. So we don't need this first line. So all these three are done. So let's go next. The 4 steps are done. Now let's continue to console. So now, as you can see, our Android app is registered. We can interact with the Firebase with authentication and Cloud Firestore or any other features if you want to use it. Let's go back inside our app. So now let's run our app. So it's starting. Let's wait for launch. So guys, as you can see, the app already launched, and so we successfully add the Firebase into our app. I hope you learned something from this video about adding Firebase to your project and all the setups. If there is any problem, you can comment it below, and if you like it, please thumbs up, and see you guys in the next video.